Hey, welcome to Hosting a Coupon Code channel. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get the biggest possible discount on Hostinger step by step so you don't leave any money on the table. Quick background on me, I've been using Hostinger VPS for over 8 years. My own website runs on it right now, so everything I'm showing you comes from real hands-on experience. That's it. Step 1, grab the right discount link. In the description box and the pinned comment below, I have listed referral links organized by country and local currency. This referral link gives you 20% extra off on top of whatever Hostinger's current deal is. Compare that to a coupon code like Solo10 which only gives 10%. The referral link wins every time. That's it. Step 2. Find your country in the list. Click your link and you'll land directly on Hostinger's official website. No searching, no guessing. Step 3. Click products or services in the top navigation. This opens up everything Hostinger offers: shared hosting, VPS, business email, and website builder. Step 4. Go to VPS hosting. That's it. You'll see 4 plan tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. These are serious machines with real performance. I am selecting KVM2 to demonstrate today. Step 5. Proceed to checkout. The extra 20% discount from the referral link will already be reflected in your total automatically. Bonus step, and this one matters: sign up with an email address that has never been used on Hostinger before. This keeps your new user discount intact. That's the complete process. 5 steps, maximum savings. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like. Let me know in the comments which VPS plan you went with and hit subscribe so you catch every deal I post on Hostinger Coupon Code channel. See you in the next one.